Naomi Home presents the Tatiana Luxury Lift Chair Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. To get started, connect the backrest to the chair base. Push down until you hear it click in place. Insert the left and right corner side pieces onto the backrest. Connect the wires to their designated color. Next, connect the cable onto the back side of the chair base. Attach the loop fastener onto the chair base. Now that you've connected all of the cables, you are able to recline and lift with the help of a remote. And you can adjust the temperature of your heated seat as well as access the massage features with the additional remote. And there you have it. Your Tatiana Luxury Lift Chair is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.